Are you looking to stand out in cosmetic dentistry?
Striving for predictable and high quality results in every cosmetic case?
Want to reduce challenges and increase efficiency in cosmetic cases?
Curious about enhancing your digital workflow without compromising patient experience and quality?
In a world where fast and cheap is too often the priority of clinicians, we've designed a course that uses digital techniques to elevate the quality of treatment, enhance case predictability, but ultimately take your patient's experience to the next level.
Beyond digital, the full Cosmetic Dentistry Experience is a 3-day immersive course set to elevate your digital workflow and support your learning with soft skills that you can implement immediately.
One of the unique aspects of this course is our team approach. You'll benefit from insights from our experienced dentists with nearly 50 years of combined cosmetic case experience.
Witness a live cosmetic case start to finish. Gain hands-on experience, collaborate and network. Learn in a practice dedicated to cosmetics for the last 20 years.
You'll spend time interacting with our diverse and passionate team in our welcoming practice and experience our unique approach firsthand.
We only believe in sharing information which has been proven practical and responsible. And after decades of experience with cosmetic cases, we feel qualified to share what we have learned. Spaces are limited, so register your interest to secure your spot. Visit advanceddentalartistry.com.au.